Quick question. If a client ever threatened to sue you because they weren't happy with your video, would you be covered? Most videographers aren't. See, general liability only covers accidents, like if someone trips over your lighting stand. But what about mistakes in your actual work? That's where professional liability coverage comes in. Let's say a client claims you delivered the final cut late, or you miss a key moment, or they just say your work didn't match the contract. Without professional liability, you could be stuck paying legal fees out of pocket, even if the claim isn't true. That's why Next Insurance lets you add professional liability coverage directly to your videography policy. It protects you from client disputes, contract disagreements, and claims of negligence. Basically, it covers the what ifs that come with working in a creative field. If you're working with paying clients, don't risk it. Use my link in the description to check out Next Insurance and add professional liability coverage today. It only takes a couple of minutes and it could save you thousands if a client decides to point the finger at you.